doing a little self haircut tutorial. I know I already lined myself up in the front. Kind of did the first guideline right here, but excuse me. But we're just gonna get into it. Yeah. Now, right here, we finna go in with our first guideline. I already kind of did the first one, but just no guard open, going up an inch. Just, you know what I'm saying, going in the area multiple times. Comb my hair backwards because that's the way my hair grow. And we gonna go ahead and start taking out this bottom line. Now, to take out the bottom line, you wanna just close up the blade, flick at it, go halfway, and then open. But here, I put on my one guard, and I'm starting open because I don't wanna cut too much hair off, and just going over it, trying to see which way my hair is laying. And then I flipped the clipper around and came down with the one just so I could debulk that whole area, and then comb that hair backwards because that's the way the hair is growing. Now, just doing the same thing. I closed it up right now using the corners of my blade. Just trying to hit that line to get it as faint as possible. Now right here, I'm finna come down on my edge up because I seen it's kind of dark, and I want to knock some of the hair down. But you gotta be careful if you got like dreads or anything, or on regular wave. You don't want to cut too much off, so know what you could and see what you could. And I'm just doing this so I can lay everything down and come back and line it up. So now coming with my 0.5 guard, starting open, flicking at it, going in like a swiping motion when I'm trying to get that line out. Really just using the corners, combing in the right direction. That's really key when you're trying to take the lines out. Comb in the right direction and kind of go in like a swiping motion to where the hair is laying down to take out that line. Now we're adding these enhancements. Just spraying it lightly, or it's on yourself, so you can paint as much as you want to your liking, just as long as there's nobody else. But I'm doing it lightly, just hitting those areas, and then come back with my fibers, and then we're gonna line it up, be real crispy. Now hitting it with this straight razor. This is very scary, I ain't gonna lie. I'm still getting used to it, but just lightly hitting that line. Don't want to push it back too much. And then, yeah, this is how you cut your own hair, man. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And more videos will be dropping weekly.